In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice on Wix. Now, managing invoices can seem daunting, but with Wix, it's straightforward and streamlined. Whether you're just starting with invoicing or looking to simplify your current process, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can easily generate and send invoices to your clients. So let's dive in and get started. First, head over to the Wix Studio. If you're already familiar with it, you'll know how intuitive and user-friendly the dashboard is. For those new to it, don't worry. It's designed to make the process as smooth as possible. Once you're on the dashboard, locate and click on Getting Paid. This section is dedicated to helping you manage all financial aspects of your business. From this point, look for the Invoices option. Clicking on Invoices is your next move, and it's going to open up the tool you need to create and manage your invoices. After clicking Invoices, you should see an option that says Get Started. By clicking on Get Started, you're officially setting into motion the process of setting up your invoicing. This section is aimed at creating an optimal workflow for managing transactions with your clients. Now it's time to enter your business details. Start with your business name. This is crucial because the branding here will help clients recognize your business, reinforcing trust and professionalism. After you've entered your business name, the next thing you'll need to input is your business email address. Make sure this is an email you regularly monitor. It's where confirmations will be sent and responses received. So accuracy here is key. Moving on, click on Add and Continue. This action confirms all the information you've inputted so far and sets the stage for creating your first invoice. The Add and Continue button acts as a checkpoint, ensuring everything you've entered is ready to be processed. Now, it's time to enter your invoice details. This is where you'll include essential information like the client's names, the services or products you provided, their costs, and any other relevant details. Once all the necessary information is entered, you're all set to send the invoice. Make sure to double-check all the details for accuracy and completeness. Errors in invoices can create confusion and potentially delay payments, so being meticulous at this stage is important. So, there you have it. You've created an invoice on Wix. From accessing the Getting Paid section to entering your business details, you've now got a completed invoice ready to send. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful